People have made and lost fortunes attempting to time the market, as in the stock market. Historically, there's a major correction like every 10 years. There was one around 2000 or so with the big dot-com implosion on itself, around 2008, 2009, with a lot of housing related things. And here we are almost 10 years later, so it's 2017. We've got a lot of high value tech companies. Snap just went public with Snapchat, Snap Inc., and that doesn't really make any money. Not to say that it won't or can't, and I'm not going to try to tell anyone, including myself, when there's going to be some serious correction on the market. But history says probably in the next year, 2, 3 years, we're looking at maybe a 20% correction in the market. Now, should you sell it all and go entirely cash? I'd probably say not. I'm not going to do that. But I am in my portfolio going to trim down a little bit, maybe get down to about 20, 30, 40% cash, depending on what options there are to cash out on the ones that are looking pretty good. And I might sit on some cash for a year, 2, 3 years, because the thing about these markets is, say there's a 50% loss, you have to have a 100% gain to come back onto that. So you got to remember, it takes a lot more of a gain. You don't go down 20% and then go up 20% and then be the same amount again. If you go down that, it's going to be less. If you go down and come back up the same amount, it's going to be less than when it started. And the best way to protect a fortune is to minimize loss as well as increase gain. But if you can avoid a 20% knockdown, even if you don't make any gains for 2 years, you're going to come out far ahead in the long run. So right now, just be weary of keeping too much invested in serious stocks and mutual funds right now, because there probably is a correction / recession / serious hit in the stock market coming up when, I don't know, a year, 2 years, 3 years, I don't know, but sometime in the relatively near future. So something to think about. Keep your money safe. Think about maybe getting a little more into cash and a little bit less into equities and stocks.